Hello guys and welcome to today's video. This video is going to be a pre-trade analysis video like we always do. Like every day I do a video before I even take any trades to tell you about my bias, kind of running through my bias for the day, what is my thought process on trade, how I'm going to anticipate in the market, and what is my key levels and every single thing. So without further ado into the video, before we head on to the video, don't forget to smash up that like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us reach 210 legends before the end of May. So please subscribe, bro, that will mean the world to me. So please subscribe, and as I promised you guys, I already dropped the strategy video for you. So if you if you have any interest in seeing my strategy, you can go onto my channel and you can see the video that I talked about my strategy and every single thing. I dropped a full video of I think a 39 minutes or a 38 minutes talking about my strategy and every single thing, my trading plan and all of that shit. So if you wanna go over that, you can look for it up. And without further ado, let's get started into today's video. So to be honest, today I'm actually like kind of bullish for the day, and you're gonna see right now why. So the first thing, I'm going to start off with the daily time frame as I always do. So yesterday we were creating this bullish fair value gap, so now we have this bullish daily fair value gap confirmed, and we also have this new week opening gap. So if you wanna make any retracement, we will make it through this daily fair value gap. But for now, the way that I told you I'm a little bit bullish is that through the lower time frame. So let's go on to the 4-hour time frame to can see. And as you can see, in the 4-hour time frame, we are already in a bullish order flow. You can tell, like, we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. Now we're creating the higher low, and we are probably going to see the higher highs if we don't break the structure to the downside. So if we break structure to the downside, or we invalidate this 4-hour fair value gap, that probably means that we're going to continue going to the downside and eventually fill up this daily fair value gap. So what I'm looking for right now is that we actually, if you can drop out to the 1 hour, you can see that we took out this hourly low, and it was actually the Asian session lows as soon as London session opened, and it was actually a news scandal which I was looking for, and I didn't actually see the news, but then I go on to the Twitter and Trump actually posted something about the war in the Middle East. I want to make a deal with Iran, but for that to happen, it must stop supporting terror and not have a nuclear weapon. So I don't know about that, but that actually caused the market to rip down a little bit, because it is about political shit, so we don't care about that. But that caused the market to instead of taking out these Asian session highs and filling up this fair value gap, that caused us to rip down, take out these Asian session lows, and that is what actually I'm looking for in the market. So we already took out these lows, we already now took out these lows, and we filled up more the 4-hour fair value gap. So what I'm looking for right now is I want to see some sort of structure getting created on the 15 minutes. So hold on, I want to see structure getting created, then we break structure through that structure to the upside. And what I want to see that I want to scale down to the even lower time frames, like the 5-minute or so on, like to see any continuation confluences, like fair value gaps, order blocks, breakers, like all of that shit. So when I see that, and if I see price reacting to them, I'll wait for a structure being broken, like to the upside on the lower time frames, and then I will aim for these highs, like these Asian session highs. That's it. That's all what I'm looking for on GJ. It looks clean, but we will see if there's any continuation to the upside. That means we are going to continue to the upside. If there is not, I will not enter any trades. So that's it for GBP GPY. We go now and cover up USD GPY, and it's actually look more fucked up right here. So On the daily we are bullish. Right now we are bearish, but I'm telling you the overall move, the order flow is bullish on the daily. So we just created the higher highs, now we're creating the lower highs, or the higher lows, not the lower highs, the higher lows, and we're actually now retracing back into this daily fair value gap. And with that, I'm scaling down to the 4-hour to see what is price doing, and you can actually see like it is ripping down. We broke structure yesterday to the downside, and now we're continuing going lower. So if anywhere price want to retrace from this place, it will see you will see that on the lower time frames, which is going to break the structure to the upside. But if there's no retracement back from this level, then probably price is going to more highly going to drop down to even fill up this not fair value gap. It is a new week opening gap. Hold on. New week opening gap. That price might fill it up. If so, there's two scenarios. If we make continuation confluence to the upside, that means price is going to react off of that and continue the move to the upside. Or if we don't see any confirmation to the upside, that means price is going like going down to fill up this new week opening gap, and by that time we're going to figure out where price wants to go. So if we scale down now actually to the 1-hour time frame to see where we are right now, so that the news candle that came out on literally like at London session open, we came down, we took out the Asian session lows. So now what I'm currently looking for is if we make a confluences to make the price make sense to go to the upside, I will anticipate in the longs. And if nothing from that happen, I'll probably wait for New York session to open and then readapt from London session what happened, and I'll see if I end up the day bearish or bullish. So but for now I'm currently more looking at GBP GPY. If I see my confluences and my model getting appeared, I will probably anticipate in that, and if there's nothing, I will avoid the unnecessary losses that price just came out of. So there, that's it. We currently created the structure on the 15-minute. So candle up candle and the down candle, we're creating the structure. I want to price now to create this structure to being broken at first, and then I want to see continuation confluences, but then I'll eventually target these highs or even these Asian session highs. So that's it for my daily buys for the day. I'll wait for my setup. I will set up my alarms right now. If we broke the structure to the upside, I will be more looking to take longs. If we are not, I'll wait for New York session and readapt what the London session has gave me, and we'll see if we end up the daily bullish or bear. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the trade recap or the market recap, whether I check trade or not. And that's it. Stay safe, guys. Readapt to market and don't take unnecessary losses. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys up in the next one. Peace out.